No matter where in the world you are, the wonders of the night and day sky remain a sight to behold. Watching celestial events is the perfect activity for anyone who wants to spend time outside and marvel at the mysteries of the universe. April is packed with celestial events, from planetary alignments to a total solar eclipse, comet sightings, and meteor showers. There's something for everyone. Let's start with a small planetary alignment. The small planetary alignment takes place around April 4th. 4 planets, Venus, Neptune, Saturn, and Mars, will line up in the morning sky. Although these planets will be close to the Sun, with the right timing, you'll be able to spot them. April 4th is a general date when the alignment is well seen for most locations. However, in Mexico City or Sydney, for example, the planets will gather in the smallest section of the sky on April 3rd. This month, a long-awaited total solar eclipse joins a list of phenomena visible from the Earth. With minimal equipment needed to enjoy the day sky. On April 8th, the Moon will pass directly between the Earth and the Sun, completely blocking out the Sun during a breathtaking total eclipse. Viewers anywhere along the 115-mile wide path of totality will witness the sky darkening in the mid-afternoon as the Sun disappears. The Moon will completely cover the Sun in a total solar eclipse that will be visible from North America and pass over Mexico and Canada. When the Moon passes between the Sun and the Earth, the sky darkens as the face of the Sun is blocked entirely. The atmosphere becomes dusky, however, and for those planning to look up at the sky, proper equipment is essential lest you hurt your eyes. It will be the last total solar eclipse to hit the US for 2 decades, so it's definitely something to put on your travel list this year. This is a rare event for viewers in the United States. The last total solar eclipse visible in the continental United States occurred in 2017, and the next one will not take place until 2045. The path of totality will begin in the Pacific Ocean and move across parts of Mexico and the eastern United States and Nova Scotia. The total eclipse will be visible in parts of Texas, Arkansas, Missouri, Illinois, Indiana, Kentucky, Ohio, Pennsylvania, New York, Vermont, New Hampshire, and Maine. To safely view the total eclipse, you'll need a pair of eclipse glasses, a handheld solar viewer, or a homemade eclipse projector. You can remove your eye protection only when the Sun completely disappears, but be sure to put it back on as soon as the Sun peeks out again. Eclipses are the only time you can easily spot the outermost part of the Sun's atmosphere, also known as its corona, without any special equipment. According to NASA, the following materials should never be used to view a solar eclipse: sunglasses of any kind, color film, medical X-ray film, smoked glass, and floppy disks. The Sun can burn the retinas in the eyes, leading to permanent damage or even blindness. This can occur even if your eyes are exposed to direct sunlight for just a few seconds, so be careful. Another beautiful sky event will take place this month at Lyrids meteor shower. It is the one of our more moderate annual showers. Meteor showers occur as the Earth passes through debris left behind by a comet or asteroid. As these particles enter the Earth's atmosphere, they burn up at high speeds and leave a bright streak across the sky. The Lyrids is an average shower, usually producing about 20 meteors per hour at its peak. It is produced by dust particles left behind by Comet C/1861 G1 Thatcher, which was discovered in 1861. The shower runs annually from April 14th to 26th. It peaks on the night of the 22nd and April 23rd. These meteors can sometimes produce bright dust trails that last for several seconds. Best viewing will be from a dark location after midnight. Meteors will radiate from the constellation Lyra, but can appear anywhere in the sky. One more planetary element will take place. The large alignment happens around April 20th. Venus, Mercury, Neptune, Mars, and Saturn will gather in the morning sky. 4 out of 5 planets are bright enough to be visible to the naked eye. But again, their proximity to the Sun will make observations difficult. A Mount Everest-sized Devil Comet, making its first visit to the inner solar system in more than 70 years, could be visible to the naked eye over the next few weeks. Comet 12P/Pons-Brooks is fast approaching perihelion. As it does, the comet is brightening and has been recently recorded just brighter than 5th magnitude. On April 21st, the comet will make its closest approach to the Sun, known as perihelion. Astronomers think the comet should be visible during the day in the darkened sky of the April 8th eclipse, perhaps even to the naked eye. Keep in mind, if you want to look into the sky during the eclipse, you should wear eye protection. Comets become less visible as they near the Sun, so the weeks between the eclipse and the April 21st perihelion will see good chances of viewing, decreasing as the days pass. Chasing the astronomical events from the comfort of Earth is also a trend that's rising in the travel world. And what better reason to travel than to see the beauty of the celestial? From total eclipses shadowing the United States to meteor showers taking over the skies of the southern and northern hemisphere. A bunch of astronomical events in April 2024 are set to hold your gaze. Don't forget to embark on your journeys with the right equipment. And learn about how state-protected dark skies could change astrotourism forever. It's essential to get inspired, be more creative, pick a great location and come up with different photo ideas with the Sun, the Moon, the Milky Way, star trails, eclipses, meteor showers, multiple planets alignments and comets.